Mode is the most common, the one that comes up the most. And if you happen to see, like here, I can see that I've got a pair of 6s, and that's it, right? Nothing else is doubled up. I can just go right to the answer and write 6 if I want. Sometimes it can be confusing, or you can have a lot of values. So in which case, I'm just going to order them because it's going to make it easier. So I'm going to start with 3. Then we have 11. We have a 19 there, and then 20. So we have a 25. Any other 20s? No. Any 30s? Yep, I have 31, 36. And then in the 40s, I've got 41, then 42, then 44, 47, then 49, then 50. Then 53, then 54. We're looking for the one that comes up most often, right? And so the values we have are 3, 11, 19, 20, 25, 31, 36, 41, 42, 44. I don't see anything that came up twice. I'm just going to say that there is no mode, so none. Let's try another one. 4, then 5, and then I've got a pair of 6s, 8, 9, 10, a pair of 10s, a 12, a pair of 15s, a pair of 20s, and a 24. I've got a pair of 6s, and then I got a pair of 10s, and then I've got a pair of 15s, and a pair of 20s. I've got many different modes. I've got 6s, 10s, I've got 15s, and I've got 20s. If you have more than one mode, you got to list them all. 40, I have 46, I have a 51, then a 54, so I've got a 66 and a 68. In the 70s, I don't have anything. In the 80s, I have an 88. In the 90s, I have a pair of 91s. Then I have 94, 99, a 100, a pair of 112s, a 113, and a 119. I have a pair of 91s, a pair of 112s. So I have 2 modes, 91 and 112. That's it. So those are my 2 modes, bimodal distribution. Let's try one more. We have 4s, 5s, no 6s, a 7, a pair of 9s, 11, 13, a pair of 16s, 18, and a 20. I've got 2 4s, 2 9s, and 2 16s. If you happen to have one that had 3 of them, that would be your mode, right? So ones that are most frequent, tied for most frequent, are the 4s, the 9s, and the 16s. So I'm going to write 4, comma, 9, comma, 16. 7, and then 9, and then 13, anything in the 20s? Nope. 36, 40, 53, 70, 70, 72, 78, and nothing repeats, so none. Yeah, 0, 3, 8, 8, 10, 38, 41, 47, 65, and 70. Okay, the only pair I have, or the only ones that are repeating, are the 8s. So 8. Starting with 3, I have a pair of 3s. I have a 7, an 8, another 8, a 10, and 3 11s. A 13, a 14, a 16, a 16, a 17, a pair of 18s, and a 24. I've got a pair of 8s. I've got a pair of 3s, a pair of 8s. But I have 3 11s. The 3 11s beats the pair of 3s, beats the pair of 8s, beats the pair of 18s. 11 is going to be our mode. All right, and that's it for mode. Have a good day.